Swap out your skinny factory running boards with Rough Country's wider and more aggressive HD2 running boards. These beefy cab-length running boards make it much easier to get in and out of your truck. Before you begin installation, review the included instructions and verify that you have all the required parts and hardware before proceeding. You'll also want to verify that you have all the proper tools before disassembling your vehicle. To begin installation, start under the passenger side of the vehicle. Locate the front factory step mounting location along the inner side of the body. Slide a plastic washer over each of the 3 factory mounting studs in the body panel. Important: the plastic washers are designed to prevent corrosion between the aluminum body panel and the steel mounting brackets. Do not install the brackets without the plastic washers. Attach the mounting bracket to the factory studs with the provided flat washers and nylon lock nuts. Leave the brackets loose at this time. Repeat the previous steps to install the center and rear passenger side brackets. Place the step on top of the brackets. Locate the channels in the bottom of the step. Insert the bolt plates into the channels in the bottom of the step closest to the brackets. Lift up the step and guide the studs through the brackets. Attach the step to the brackets with the 6mm flat washers, lock washers, and hex nuts. Note: the step is designed to fit close to the vehicle. It may be necessary to loosen the bracket hardware slightly and tilt the brackets downward to insert the step between the brackets and the body. Level and adjust the step as necessary and fully tighten all hardware. Repeat the previous steps for the driver's side step installation. Do periodic inspections to the installation to make sure that all hardware is secure and tight. As you can see, the textile design gives your truck a unique look that's much more aggressive than the factory steps, while the wider profile is perfect for proper footing and looks more proportional to the larger trucks of today.